MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional radiant floor heating in Pottstown, PA, providing a comfortable and energy-efficient way to heat your home or business. Radiant floor systems deliver even warmth from the ground up, eliminating cold spots and improving overall comfort. Our experienced technicians design and install systems tailored to your space, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Ideal for new construction or upgrades, radiant heating operates quietly and can help reduce energy costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable radiant floor heating in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy consistent, luxurious warmth throughout your property. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the radiant floor heating near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides radiant floor heating in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional radiant floor heating installation in Pottstown, PA for homeowners seeking a comfortable and energy-efficient heating solution. Radiant floor heating works by distributing heat evenly beneath the floor surface, creating consistent warmth throughout your home. How much does radiant floor heating cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of radiant floor heating in Pottstown, PA depends on factors such as the size of the area, system type, electric or hydronic, and installation complexity. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides detailed estimates after evaluating your home's specific requirements. What is your radiant floor heating in Pottstown, PA? Our local radiant floor heating has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.